Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest home decor tips and trends. Today, we're exploring the world of wooden furniture and decoration ideas to help you achieve a stylish home makeover. Whether you're a modern, rustic, or classic style fan, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. Idea 1: Modern wooden furniture. Our first idea focuses on modern wooden furniture. Sleek, minimalist designs are perfect for creating a contemporary look. Think clean lines, smooth surfaces, and functional pieces. A minimalist coffee table can make your living room look chic and uncluttered. Idea 2: Rustic wooden furniture. Next up, rustic wooden furniture brings warmth and character to your home. Reclaimed wood dining tables add a cozy, lived-in feel. Pair these pieces with soft textiles and earthy colors to create a welcoming atmosphere. Idea 3: Wooden accent pieces. Wooden accent pieces are a great way to add a touch of nature to any room. Consider a wooden mirror frame, wall art, or decorative bowls. These accents can complement both modern and traditional interiors, adding texture and interest. Idea 4: Wooden shelving units. Wooden shelving units are both practical and stylish. Use them to display your favorite books, plants, and decorative items. Floating shelves or ladder shelves can add a modern touch, while classic built-in shelves offer a timeless look. Idea 5: Wooden headboards and bed frames. Transform your bedroom with a beautiful wooden headboard and bed frame. These pieces can serve as the room's focal point, adding warmth and elegance. Choose from a variety of styles, from simple and sleek to ornate and detailed, to match your taste. Idea 6: Wooden outdoor furniture. Don't forget your outdoor spaces. Wooden outdoor furniture can create a stylish and comfortable patio or garden area. A wooden dining set, lounge chairs, and a pergola can make your outdoor space perfect for entertaining or relaxing. And there you have it, our top wooden furniture and decoration ideas for a stylish home makeover. Whether you're updating your living room, bedroom, or outdoor space, wooden pieces can add warmth, character, and elegance to your home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your favorite wooden decor idea. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiration and tips on home decor. Thanks for watching.